Right, so when the code runs, this is here's the rendering. Let's compare it to this. Welcome to this application. It's good, getting started in instructions. So here the rendering, well, everything's here, the buttons are here, like all display messages. Allows the user to know how to use it. Then we have here, once again, UI. I feel like the UI is a bit too spaced out. It was supposed to be, let's see, the login screen, something like that. But since it's too spaced out, it really doesn't look as neat and polished as the one in the design screen. So that can be a problem for users, but obviously since they can resize it, it might not matter that much. Let me try and resize it. Okay. I wanted to add a dark screen and light screen as well here because that's what it says, but unfortunately I didn't have enough time, so that didn't happen at all. Let's try. So like before, we have the username signing up. You got the show password, which allow the passwords to be hidden or shown. That's same here in the login screen and in the reset password screen. So let's log in. So log in. Let's see. It doesn't welcome the user though. I feel like that's the only problem. While it does have the buttons, it doesn't welcome the user. Here we have like the degree apprenticeships, asking for the A levels and the BTECs. Yeah, everything's laid out properly. Like all the design, like you've got a drop down list that can extend to like multiple GCSE subjects and A level subjects. Same can be said for the extracurriculars and supercurriculars. Like generate the report. Everything is laid out nicely and it's readable from top to bottom. Even here is readable as well. All the fonts are readable like in a specific font so that it can be readable. For the universities, so this literally completes all of this. Though I have improved on this step, this one right here. I wanted to do only one degree apprenticeship, but I ended up making a drop down list that includes multiple degree apprenticeships. So here, we apply for 5 universities, all laid out in a nice format. It's not okay here. So I feel like this is a problem because there's a bit. One's a bit wonky and the others. Whereas here it's like just in one, like one box. So that might be partially met. But university, BTEC grades and A level grades. So we've got here. Once again, this is all from the St. Thomas More specification. Requirements. So we'll say this. That. So again, maybe we want to put in like something else. Maybe like where's the BTECs? Cool. Same thing here. Everything's laid out nicely. We've got maths, English literature, and English language. These are needed because obviously the UK government want everyone to do these core subjects. So let's just add more to show that we can add almost all of. Okay. Now here we are to the extracurriculars and supercurriculars. Like before, it's the same thing. It's just that I've added like a three for extracurricular, 3 for supercurricular, which we can leave. We can. But I'll close this. It's still the same thing as degree apprenticeship. Cool. So here, once again, it shows our choices like from the steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and obviously it'll be step 4 if I let's put this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, all in a specific order. And here, if we scroll down, we can read this in like plain English, whether we get accepted or not. So clearly, if we don't get like A's and A stars, and like with a horrible, we barely get into like, or we have like a 50% chance of getting in. Then let's say we log out back here. The problem is that while everything is rendered in, it's just that here it's just not in the correct position. You got like the show password, it's just like here, whereas it's more compact and neat on the other screens. Like here, let's say I forgot password. Obviously this is all from top to bottom, so it's not like new passwords at the top, confirmed passwords like in the middle, his name or email is at the bottom, but it's just that they're not compact together. So I feel like if I were to just resize it and make sure that the user cannot resize it next time, maybe like this, yeah, that'll be more compact. Then, well, let's see what happens when we sign in. So we can still see the degree apprenticeship and log out and university, so it's probably best if we just keep it in one box.